I'm Jenny, and the whole genesis of this project, this remodeling project, was the need to have more space in the house. So we got a contractor out and determined that we could take out a number of walls, which is essentially going to make the house into a kitchen remodel. And the kitchen would be the focus of the remodel, of course, naturally. And knowing that parties always end up in the kitchen and want to have the most room in the kitchen, that became the primary focus and the whole deal with the redesign. The house started as a hunting cabin. I believe it's earlier than 1932, but they used newspapers in the wall as insulation, and we found a World War II gas mask in the rafters. So I really wanted these appliances because I knew they were going to last. With a refrigerator like this, you're not going to have issues. With a stove like that, not only is it a showpiece, but it cooks well. But I like the longevity factor of these appliances, that I'm buying into something that is just really gonna last. Bill Hancock at Direct Depot Kitchens, he was helping me with the cabinets and picking out the cabinets that you see here. And he was the one who immediately said, you gotta work with Joe. This is the guy you gotta hook up with, we're buds. And I was hesitant at first. I'm like, what is the connection to appliances and cabinets? But I figured Bill, having been in the business as long as he has, and hooking up with the right designer to say, okay, here's how we're gonna position them in the new space. I said, these are the items that I want. He gave me information online. He was very receptive, very quick and easy on email to get in touch with. He made the whole facilitation smooth. You know, this is what you're gonna get, this is when they're coming. He worked probably behind the scenes, unbeknownst to me, with Bill to make sure everything came on the same day and who was on first. And that made the experience awesome. Delivery went fantastic. There were no issues, no problems, and you know, designer appliances, they made my day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.